Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve these blown out cranberry smokes. Taking Select Cover Up by MAC, I'm just going to carve out my brows which were previously filled in. I'm going to prep my lid and then I'm going to buff out any harsh edges. Taking a cream blusher, I'm using the one from Illamasqua in the shade Laid. I'm just going to blend out the outer corner towards my temples and also the inner corner of my eye. For eyeshadows, I'm going to be using the Carnival palette by Bperfect Cosmetics, and I'm going to start by using the shade Guilty in the inner and outer corner, exactly on top of where we placed our pink blusher. I'm now blending out the edges with Dusty Rose blush by NYX. I will warn you that there is a lot of blending in this look. In the inner and outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use the shade Liquor from the palette, and I'm just going to be packing the colour on, then blending it out with Guilty, and I'm going to do this quite a few times as this look does require quite some layers. So take your time with this step, as it's really important to achieve a colourful and seamless look is to do plenty of layers. Don't forget to always blend out your layers. Taking the white base by P. Louise, I'm just going to create that spotlight in the centre of my eyelid, and I will be blending it out with the purple. Next, I've just gone in with Jellyfish Pigment by Neve Cosmetics, and then I'm going to layer that with the pink glitter from MAC and the 118 pigment from Inglot. Don't forget to blend the spotlight so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just lining my lash line, and then I'm going to buff out the outer corner with a black eyeshadow. Now moving on to lashes, these are just some that I got off of AliExpress. Then I'm just going to wipe away any fallout that I did have from the pigment and glitter, and then proceed to conceal my under eye with the Makeup Forever HD concealer and buffing it out. Then taking a black eyeliner pencil, I'm just lining my waterline and buffing it into my lashes as well. Then I'm just using the same colours that we used on top to blend my bottom lash line, and then I'm just going to blend everything together to make sure there is a seamless blend. Last but not least, mascara, and then I'm going to highlight the inner corner of the eye with Pink Me from the Carnival palette, and then we are done for the eyes. They are completed. Moving on to complexion, I'm just using Studio Fix by MAC in the shade NC15, and then I'm just going to buff this into my skin. Then I'm going back in with the concealer, and I'm going to place this all on the highest points of my face and anywhere that I just want to highlight. For contour, I'm just going to be using this stick from Primark, and then I'll buffing it into the skin with a stippling brush and a warmer cream foundation. Then I'm just setting my face with the Flormar loose powder and then warming my face up with the dark tan Mineralize Skin finish from MAC. I'm using the NYX blush that we used on our eyes, and I'm also just blending this up into the temples slightly. To highlight my face, I'm just using Sinner from the Carnival palette. To finish the look, I'm using the lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury in the colour Iconic Nude and the NYX Butter Gloss in the colour Peanut Brittle. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.